This video will familiarize you with the 1801 Research Project Use Case Spreadsheet document available for download from the ASHRAE data portal for this project. This spreadsheet is complete work process use case documentation based on the ASHRAE Guideline 20 protocol. I'm going to skip the initial worksheets that cover the actors and activities that comprise the work process and go directly to the so-called Data Elements worksheet, or tab. Data elements are properties of objects that make up a data exchange specification like this. Data elements are grouped into objects that are referred to as data groups. Let's begin by looking at the equipment type data group. This set of data elements or properties apply to all HVAC&R equipment, regardless of their type. Each equipment type record will have a unique ID that allows it to be referenced by other data groups. Each record will also have one of the 1801 equipment type names selected from the enumerated list here. And it will have as many of these other properties that have known values, including manufacturer and warranty information. It is easiest to think of this data group as containing those properties that are common to all pieces of equipment with a given model number. As you can see, there are many properties in this data group. The next data group down is equipment component. All of the properties in this data group again apply to all HVAC&R equipment, regardless of their type. However, these properties are common to individual pieces of equipment with a unique serial number. So these properties include, for example, space and location, and purchase and installation dates, for individual pieces of equipment. Each equipment component record will reference the appropriate equipment type record that contains its manufacturer, model number, and other associated properties. The next data groups are specific to each of the 1801 equipment types, such as air handler and boiler, and contain properties that are appropriate to only that type of equipment. Note that this document contains detailed information about each of these properties, including a description, a data type, and a unit of measure. At the far right, data mappings to other reference sources are included when they apply. For example, under the COBE mapping, you will see the matching property that has been defined in the COBE Information Exchange specification. These mappings are included to facilitate data transformations between the 1801 data and these other references. Lastly, note that there is a maintenance task data group containing maintenance activities recommended by ASHRAE Standard 180 for a variety of equipment types. Records of this data group can be associated with the equipment type data group by using unique ID references. For data content examples of these data groups, watch the 1801 Example Content Data Spreadsheet video.